Peace, love, and light to all. Welcome to this new moon in Virgo yoga flow. New moons are all about new beginnings and new cycles and new energy. So as we move throughout this practice, let's honor this new cycle in our life in a practical and grounding and sound way. Let's begin in an easy sink. Lengthen the spine, bring your arms down to your knees. Let's move into this hand gesture or mudra, bringing your thumb and forefinger together, creating a circle. Your other fingers are relaxed and pressed forward. Let's inhale deep through the nose, expand your belly, and slowly begin to exhale anything we do not need in this moment. Again, take a slow, deep breath in through the nose. And exhale, slowly contracting your stomach. Return to your natural breath. Slowly begin to bring your left hand to the front of your neck and your right hand to the back of your neck. Inhale and send energy through your fingers from front to back. And slowly exhale. Again, inhale oxygen and energy through your throat. And slowly exhale. Virgo is naturally ruled by Mercury, which is the planet of communication and our thought process. So slowly begin to bring your arms down, and let's inhale, bring your arms out to the side and all the way up. Turn your hands out and exhale anything that does not align with that energy. Again, bring your arms out to the side and all the way up. This time, exhale, bring your left arm down to the ground. Inhale back up and then rotate. Exhale the right arm down to the ground. Both arms up back into the air. As you exhale, rotate the hands down. Exhale slowly down to the ground, fingertips on the ground so we can stay grounded, we can connect to the earth. Inhale the arms all the way back up again. Bring the hands together in prayer position. Exhale, slowly bring your hands down to your heart space. Take a deep breath to honor this new cycle of hope, of focus, of clarity. And exhale, begin to come into a tabletop position. Inhale, rise all the way up on your knees, bringing your hands into the sky. Exhale, bend the arms into cactus or goddess pose, creating a 90-degree angle. Inhale the arms all the way up to the sky. Bring your hips to your heels and slowly lower your hands down to your thighs. Begin some neck rolls to your right. Again, this is about your comfort level, so do what feels good to your neck. We're activating that throat chakra, our communication, our thought process, our manifestation. And remember to rotate on the other side. Take what you need here. Option to use a blanket or pillow or come down into an easy pose or straight legs. And find stillness. Send your head all the way back as you inhale, and exhale, send your chin to chest. Again, inhale, open up to the sky. Exhale, chin to chest, and back to a neutral position. Inhale the arms all the way up. Exhale, rotate the arms over to your right for a lateral twist. Left hand is on your right knee. The spine is lengthened, maybe looking over that right shoulder. Inhale again, both arms up, and exhale, complete on the other side. Inhale your arms all the way up, bring your hands together, exhale down to your heart space. Move into a child's pose position. Widen your knees to the mat. Send your hips to your heels and extend your arms forward. Allow your forehead to rest onto the earth. Throughout this practice, we will stay connected to the earth to embody that Virgo energy. Maybe rock your head from side to side to activate our throat. Remember to breathe in through your nose and out of your nose. And on your next inhale, slowly rotate your arms over to the right side of your mat, placing your left hand on top of your right hand. Breathe in this lateral stretch on your left side body. And inhale deep, come back to center and rotate over to the left side of your mat, placing your right hand over your left. Inhale deep and exhale, sink into this lateral right stretch. Breathe in energy, come back to center. Bring your knees together. Allow your hands to extend forward, coming into a upward facing dog and then downward facing dog. Send your hips up and back. Maybe you alternate your feet or rise onto your toes and slowly come into a tabletop. Begin with some body rolls, circling to your right. Create big or small rolls that feels good to you, and then reverse it on the other side, still breathing in through the nose. And slowly bring your left leg into a low lunge. Your hands are underneath your thigh. Inhale the arms all the way up. Bring your hands together. Place your left hand in front of your right. Inhale and exhale your hands down to your knee. Inhale, lift the chest, and exhale, press into that front leg. Inhale, extend the head back, open up your chest, and exhale, come forward, hands down on the mat. Bring both hands in front of your left foot. Maybe move your left foot out to the side a bit. Keep a 90-degree angle. Come into lizard pose, lift the chest, inhale. And exhale, slowly begin to send your hips back for a half split. Lengthen through that left leg. Lift the chest and exhale, come back down. Move the body forward again into lizard. Place your right arm down and extend that left all the way up into the sky. Open up your chest. Move your arm forward and rotate all the way down. Place both hands on the outside of that left foot. Come into a pigeon pose. Slowly bring that left foot down to the earth. Lift the chest. Again, find a pillow or block that you need here. Inhale and exhale. Try to bring your body down to that left leg. Come back up whenever you're ready and slowly rotate over to your right into a straddle pose. I'm gonna face forward so you all can see, but extend your legs out as wide as you choose. Place your forearms on your thighs. Inhale and exhale, hinge at the hips. Slowly rotate forward, sending your hands towards your toes. Breathe here. Inhale, rise back up slowly. Inhale the arms out to the side and all the way up. Exhale, bring those hands down in front of you. Place them on the ground. And allow your body to melt. Dome your back, curve the spine, and just breathe. And slowly begin to rise. I'm going to turn the other way and begin to rotate towards your left. Come back into a tabletop. This time send your chest to the earth for a puppy pose. Keep your hips high. Try to relax your shoulders. The goal here is to send your chest to the earth. Extend the arms. Whenever you're ready, come back into a tabletop position. Let's move into cat-cow. Inhale your head all the way up. Send your belly to the ground. Exhale, chin to chest. Curve your spine. Again, inhale into cow. Exhale into cat. Curve your spine. Find a neutral position. Bring your right foot forward into a low lunge. This time, bring your hands underneath your thighs. Inhale the arms all the way up. Exhale, bring them together. Place your right hand in front this time. Inhale in and exhale. Slowly bring your hands down to your right knee. Inhale and then exhale. Press forward into that right knee. Inhale, open up the chest. Send your head back. And exhale, bring your hands down in front of that right foot. Move the right foot out a bit for lizard. Lift your chest. Inhale and exhale. Send your hips back for a half split. Lift the chest and exhale. Try to get as close to that right leg as possible. And come forward. Bring your left hand down to the earth. Extend that right hand up into the sky. Open up your chest. Breathe in here. Again, find your comfort level. Maybe extend your hand forward and then all the way down. Bring that right leg out in front of you for a pigeon pose. Inhale, lift the chest. And exhale, if you choose, you can come forward towards your right leg. Maybe place your head onto the ground and come back up. Breathe here for just a moment. Rotate over to your left into a straddle. Again, forearms on your upper thighs. Inhale in, exhale, hinge at the hips. Allow your body to press forward. Breathe here and find your comfort level. Inhale, come back up. And inhale the arms out and all the way up to the sky. Exhale, bring your hands forward to the earth. I'm going to grab the outside of my feet, but do what feels comfortable for you. Breathe. And slowly bring your body up. Rotate toward the right. Come back into a tabletop position and back into puppy pose. Keep your hips up into the sky. Send your chest to the earth. Press back up into tabletop. Tuck your toes and send your hips to your heels. Maybe you want to keep your feet flat here, but inhale your arms all the way up. Exhale down to your heart space. Just take a moment to breathe. Continue to breathe in this moment. And whenever you're ready, slowly and gently come onto your back. Take your time and bring your knees into your chest. Lift your head, hug yourself, and exhale. Bring your feet to your mat. Cross your right foot over your left knee. Lift that left leg up into the air for a reclined pigeon. Maybe you grab behind your knee or over your knee. Do what feels good to you in this moment. Breathe in and exhale. Bring that left foot back down to the earth. Switch sides. Lift your right knee up into the air. Feel this beautiful stretch. Pay attention to how your body feels against your mat. Breathe in. And exhale your right foot down to the earth. Bring both feet together, creating a diamond with your legs. Come into a supine bound angle. Maybe you place your arms down by your sides with your hands touching the earth beneath you. Take a moment to breathe in, allow the hips to open, and fully connect to the earth in this moment. Maybe bring your feet further away from the body or closer to you. If that feels comfortable, of course, you can always extend your legs if you need to. This is about where you are and what feels good. Inhale and slowly bring the knees in together. Bring them into your chest. Extend your arms out to the side. Inhale and exhale. Rotate your knees over to your left. Look over that right shoulder. Breathe in this additional twist toward the end of our practice. Inhale, bring the knees into center and slowly rotate over to the other side. Perhaps your gaze is over your left shoulder. Breathe in to this side of your body. Bring your knees to center and gently extend your legs up into the sky. Take an inversion of your choice here. Maybe you want to do happy baby or plow position, shoulder stand. I'm going to choose to stay here and maybe flex the feet. And whenever you're ready, gently bring your feet down to the earth. Come into our final resting pose, mummy or shavasana. Allow your legs to spread wide to the mat. Your arms are out by your side with your palms facing the sky. Relax the shoulders, relax any muscles in your face, and just breathe. And as we end our practice, I want to wish you a beautiful new moon in Virgo. This is a beautiful time for us to think about how we can start to be more organized, how we can grow, what details do we need to excel, to be of service, and to communicate better. So with that, I will leave you with some beautiful affirmations to end our practice. I am stepping into a new season of discipline and organization. I work and flow with the universe. I move with ease. I set intentions and I stick to them. I speak and live as my true self. Gently begin to roll over to your left side. Use your outside arm to press into an easy seat or whatever position is comfortable for you. Adjust as you need and really give thanks for this practice. And let's extend the arms out one last time. Bring your thumb and your forefinger together into this mudra that we started with. Exhale, slowly lower your hands to your knees. And let's just remember to let go of perfection and workaholic tendencies and really embrace this season of communication, of being of service and structure. Bring your hands together in a prayer position. I give thanks for this practice, for you joining me. Happy new moon. Peace and love.